Hey guys, welcome to the video. As you can tell, maybe not, but I'm here at our new studio. Because if you know or not, we recently got a new studio set up in the works. I'll show you a little bit. Here's like kind of the entrance of it. You know, we got that desk set up right now. We're actually gonna work on getting the other desk set up. But yeah, it's gonna be like our kind of like intro office area, you know, workstation area. And in here, I mean, kind of a mess right now. We got everything kind of laid out. We got a little kitchen area here. And actually back here is where we're planning on setting up our new studio for the podcast as well. So right now, it's blank canvas pretty much. But more of that to come. Hopefully we can show you guys a little bit about how it's gonna turn out. Actually pretty excited about that. And then we actually got the basement, which is where we're gonna have our shooting area pretty much for like all our product stuff, maybe a few photo shoots here and there, and then just other space where we can actually shoot our commercial stuff. And down here is where we have the work in progress shooting room. We got Marco in the back.
What's up?
Right there. All this was like blank walls. It was actually looked a lot different, but we put these California king size bed sheets up to kind of cover up the walls, make it just more presentable, and also like helps with the sound. And we got some paint job going on. These are the panels we're gonna have up in the studio. So it's gonna have a pretty legit setup actually now. And there you have it. Just painted these brick panels black, you know, so I could really hit on the aesthetic part. So it's actually kind of late right now. Got a late start today, so we're probably gonna take off for the night because it is pretty late. So we're gonna leave these here overnight to dry, and then hopefully tomorrow morning when we get back, they'll be dry and ready to start hanging up and all that stuff. So see you tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to the next day. Here, as you can see, we already got some of these panels up from yesterday. So we got kind of started before filming, but these were dry, they were ready to go. So we got them up. We got a couple more downstairs that we just painted. So they're waiting on drying right now. There you guys have it. So all the walls, pretty much all the panels are up and they're pretty much set. So we just gotta like clean them up, you know, clean off the sawdust off some of them. But I mean, for the most part, it should be pretty set. We got the desk set up. Let me go show you those real quick. So here we got the desk set up. This pretty much gonna be my desk. That's gonna be Monica's desk. Yeah, sick desk from IKEA because you can custom build them kind of however you want. Got this like L shape going, and we got the drawers down here, all pretty much on wheels. You know, pretty handy. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much all we did today. It's quite a bit of stuff if you actually think about it. And then a bunch of trash. Got a little update for you guys from the studio. So right now we're kind of in the basement, where our main shooting area is gonna be. We actually got this table up, kind of got the wood on there painted, and then we got kind of like a mini charging station going on over here. Still a kind of in progress type of thing, so we get kind of everything more in place. Then pretty much everything else is set. We already got one of these backdrops up, and some lights set up because we did do a shoot real quick. Here I'll put a little picture of the shoot so you guys can kind of see what we're doing. Yeah, we got pretty much all the gear kind of laid out right now on the floor. That will hopefully go down here a little bit more organized. And then we'll have like all the other stands and tripod set up over here. And here we are in the studio. So you got the rest of the boards up. These ones are covering the windows. So we had to put a little bit of caulking in there to kind of seal it up to not let any light peek through. We got the table in here too. We got all this foam laid out. That's gonna go up next. Like as you can see, we don't have any foam yet. The echo reverb's still a little iffy, still a little off. But we're gonna get these up hopefully here pretty soon to tighten up that audio. One of the last things probably is gonna be this foam, and then getting the lights up mounted on the ceiling somewhere up there. Take two. First time I forgot to turn on the mic. So yeah, this is our front office area where our desks are at. So this is my desk over here. You can see custom desks, pretty sick, custom made. Just kidding, shout out to Gamos Design, hooking us up with the stickers. Make it look a little bit more professional setup over here. So this is my desk on this side. As you can see, we got the computer set up. And then this side is gonna be Monaco's setup. We got his custom desk over here too. Then you can see that right there. Act as if it were impossible to fail. That's a quote, motto I like to live my life by. Because if you act as if it were impossible to fail, then there's no reason to be afraid of trying to do anything, because I mean, you got it and you're gonna keep going for it, because if you can't fail, you're gonna keep trying and trying and trying until you eventually get it. So if you just live every day with that kind of mindset, there's no way to lose, really. Hey guys, how's it going? I just realized I haven't given you guys like a one final update, but it's very similar to how it was last time. I mean, we still got Monaco's setup over here. My setup is on this side. I'm running off of a 2 monitors right now. One of them's a TV and the other one's an actual legit computer monitor. It's a little bigger, but it's doing the job for now. Podcast studio right here. Let me give you guys a better view. So here we finally got all the walls up. They're all ready to go. We've actually shot a few podcasts here already. We got the flag over there. 3 spots, 1, 2, 3. Totem in the middle. Got a chair for that. We got the camera tripod over here. Other 2 cameras currently not here. They're being used for other things. And we got the lights set up here, mounted to the ceiling. Sound panels on the ceiling and all that stuff. If you guys check out the podcast, you guys know what the setup kind of already looks like on camera. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. Really, it's really what I kind of had envisioned. And then we even have this big black curtain over here to just help with the audio, and then also just block off over here. Down here we have the studio. Here we have this kind of long table thing where we have like our camera kits and everything kind of set up here, both camera kits, and then all this other extra stuff down here. And then we got like a little charging station for everything right here. Stands and monopods just kind of chilling over here. Monopods in the corner, other backdrops back there. These other baby stands just right here chilling. And then as you can see, I did have a shoot, or we did have a couple shoots earlier.
I'm in the light at the end of the tunnel. Dive right in, let's go. No more than dip in your toe. Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah. Dive right in, let's go.
But here we got this big, not big, but we got this black backdrop where we have pretty much most of our shoots. And then over here we have our white backdrop set up. And then all the lights and stuff, of course. All these lights are right here because we had a little product shoot we shot on here. And then handy, this thing's pretty handy. We have just a big outlet line mounted here, so you can plug in any of the lights that we need to use, like for a shoot or whatever in here. So we don't have to be worrying about like what are we gonna plug into or anything like that, right? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the whole office as it is right now. Appreciate you guys sticking around for the whole video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and let me know what you guys think of the studio setup down below in the comments. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Because of you, I can't